There's a lot that this zygomatic implant has to offer versus a lot of other systems that are currently out there. And I've used every major zygomatic implant that is out there currently. Hello, Dr. Alexander Nguyen. I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon in the Phoenix, Arizona and Austin, Texas area. I'm also an adjunct faculty at the Carle Health Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery Residency. I've also been teaching remote anchorage, mainly zygomatic implants, pterygoid implants, and transnasal implants for about the past 6 years. And I'm here to talk about the new BioHorizons Pro Zygoma implant, which I am pleased to let you all know that I've been placing this implant for the past month and a half as my exclusive zygomatic implant. And we are about at 15 of these being placed in the past month and a half. So starting from the shaft of the implant, it is a polished shaft, and then it has a 16 millimeter active portion that is tapered and aggressive, and that's key in being able to underprep and get primary stability. The internal of the implant, it's a grade 23 titanium implant, which means that it's going to be strong, and that is my preference when it comes to the zygomatic implants, that they're grade 23 titanium. It is the only conical connection that has a grade 23 titanium on the market currently. That conical connection is the same regular platform as the Tapered Conical Pro, which means that it's the same strength, and I can use the same connection across a whole arch for one case, including the zygomatic implants, which is a huge plus, and it makes inventory much easier. The connection has 3 different angles, 45, 52, and 60 degrees. And it also has slim and regular profiles. That is the most options prosthetically out of any zygomatic implant out there as well. And that does mean someone like me who's very prosthetically driven when it comes to full arch, that is a nice addition and welcome to see in a new zygomatic implant design. The Pro Zygoma also comes with not just different diameters of 3.8 and 4.2, but the lengths that they come with are 30 to 60 with 2.5 millimeter increments in both diameters. So the advantage of that is any particular length that you're going to need from anywhere from the arch to the zygoma, you'll have an option, especially with the quad configuration. But the difference that also makes is there are certain companies that don't go all the way up to 60, and there's some that skip certain sizes. And the Pro Zygoma does not in both different diameters, which is a huge advantage to allow me to tackle any type of case of any type of difficulty. And regarding the surgical kit for this, the beauty of that kit is that it has different lengths of burrs or different areas of the zygoma. So when I place zygomatic implants, I am extremely prosthetically oriented, which means that I like to have my posterior zygo in the first molar position as much as possible, sometimes even in the pterygoid position if it's not possible to get a pterygoid implant. The only way to get all the way back there is to have shorter lengths of zygomatic burrs, which the BioHorizons kit does allow. And they also have the longer burrs for the anterior zygomatic implant for a quad configuration. So I have the variability of placing in any place in the arch to be able to access the zygoma. The diamond burr that comes with the kit is also the most gentle on the sinus that I have ever used. And I've used all of the different zygomatic implants out there. And that is definitely one that is the most kind on the maxillary sinus. And I frankly have not had a tear on the sinus. So yeah, in summary, in the past month and a half, I've been extremely impressed with the performance of the Pro Zygoma. Like I said, it's been my go-to zygomatic implant, and I've placed almost 15 of these at this point. And every single time we've been able to immediately load, every single time we've gotten torque and primary stability. I've only had to upsize it once to a 4.2, and that was the very first case that I did. And either way, the 4.2 was able to salvage the case to where I didn't have to change the osteotomy. So the long story short is I highly recommend the zygomatic implant. It is a great addition to the BioHorizons lineup, and also for me in my practice, where we are doing some of the most difficult revisions and zygomatic implant cases in the world, really. And I am looking forward to using this for a very long time. I highly recommend this zygomatic implant.